Y'all can have the first bite. Look at that. Cheesesteak, provolone, fried onions, hot. Lettuce, tomato, mayonnaise. Alright. Oh man, look at that. My best friend. Mmm. 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 Y'all know. Food make you happy. Oh, y'all don't be looking at y'all food when y'all eating it. Yep. Hey Sugar Wookers, I'm back at y'all again with another video. I am home. I decided to take a break and come and share my lunch with my Sugar Wookers. Okay, I'm going to say my prayer and I'm going to get this thing started. Amen. Okay, my Sugar Wookers, if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Hit that bell so you can be notified when I do another video. Also, if you always come to my channel, thank you for always stopping by, showing Sugar Mama some love. Okay, y'all? Okay. You see what I had? I had a taste for the cheesesteak. Everything on it. Hot, fried onion, provolone cheese. Cheesesteak. I got my fries and I got Cajun wings, all flats because I love the flats, okay? I got some dipping sauce for my chicken and the fries, okay? I have my blue cheese, ranch, I have mambo sauce, I have some mild sauce, and then I have some ketchup, okay? Y'all ready? All right, I'm about to dig in. You know you got to do the fry. I must put the mambo sauce. Hot though. Hot sauce. Ketchup. You know what? I had my tacos yesterday. And I was so selfish, y'all. I was selfish. Because I didn't give y'all none. I didn't mean that. Mason didn't give y'all none either. Do the wing. I'll do this. I said fried extra hard, you guys, because I like my wings fried extra hard. To make me feel better about it. You know? What about it? Go get one because you need to drink some water. Foul soup. I'm just saying. I'm gonna give y'all a piece of this meat. What y'all want? Ranch, blue cheese. Comment below what kind of dipping sauce y'all like for y'all flat wings or whatever wings you like. So I'm gonna give y'all, if you like some ranch, I'm gonna give y'all some. There you go. Bite. I'll give you some stuff too. Wait a minute. I'm gonna get to it. I was hungry. How y'all doing? I'm hungry today, so I'm being extra. Alright. I'm gonna bite down. Y'all can have the first bite. Look at that. Cheesesteak, provolone, fried onions, hot. lettuce, tomato, mayonnaise. Alright. Oh man, look at that. My best friend. Mmm. 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 I went to my spot. America's Best Wings, y'all. American Best. If you live in Baltimore, y'all know what I'm talking about. Mmm. It's good. Mmm. 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 Y'all. Y'all better go get y'all sub fries and some wings and eat with me. Mm. Mm. Check that out. Mm. Mm. Y'all know. Mm. Food make you happy. Oh, I got y'all don't be looking at y'all food when y'all eating it. Yep. My sugar was mm. Let me slow down. I'll mess around and get full fast. Don't get full fast. Ain't nothing like them going. Hey, here we go, baby. Look at this. Wait a minute, y'all. Let's do something. It's good. Yeah. You see me smashing, y'all? Coca-Cola. I'm gonna drink some water for right now. Woo! Excuse me. Excuse me. I ain't got business here saying talking about excuse you. Alright. Y'all want some more chicken? Nice and crunchy like I like it, y'all. Love my chicken crunchy. It's just right too, for me. This was a special. They get fried sub and fried sub and 5 wings. and your soda. Wait a minute, y'all. Had to give me some more napkins. Sorry, y'all. Two. Y'all want to fry? Yeah, some ketchup. Ketchup. Alright, this is the second one. Take a bite of the second one, y'all. Come on, don't sleep on me. Sorry, I'm okay. My notification. Anyway, I'm gonna do a couple more bites. Get to the shout outs. Who is on my little list today? Who? So y'all, let me put this. Oh, let me set my soda back up there so y'all can see that. You know, man. So, yeah, I'm shooting to do videos. Well, to put them out in the evening, because it seems like it's better for me anyway. Between 8 and 9. I'm trying to do videos every day. I'm trying. That's hard. But I feel like I've been getting better, you know. Getting better. Because I do work. I had to find time. Sorry, y'all. Woo! I had to find time. But it's working out. So I find that every time I do a video, I wind up putting them out between 8 and 9. So that's going to be my time. You know? See how that work out. See if I can hold on to that. Because sometimes when I feel like doing a video and I just throw it out there, I just feel like giving it to y'all. You know? So, without the first one who commented on my last video, I would like to thank you so much for coming by. Take the time out just to comment. And I really, really, really appreciate it. And the first one, I hope I say your name right. If I don't, it's going to pop up on the screen, okay? Pop up. So, all my sugar woogers can know who I'm talking about. But the first one who commented was Haysel Ramirez. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Haysel Ramirez. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel, showing Sugar Mama love. I really appreciate you and your time and your support. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Keep on coming by, okay? Don't forget about my giveaway, okay? Be one of the ones that put, so I can put your name to be drawn. That's what I was trying to say. You know what I'm trying to say. Anyway, the second person who commented on my last video and stopped by showing Sugar Mama love, I thank you and I appreciate the love and the support all of the time. My second one is Vibes with Chola. Vibes with Chola. Am I saying that right? If not, let me know. Comment below. Let me know if I said it right. But you will also pop up on my screen. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. You know, I know I'm not big, but like I always say, every little bit counts. Right? Right. Okay. Something in my teeth, y'all. Alright, look. The third shout out, anyway, who commented on my last video. Thank you so much, excuse me, for stopping by, showing Sugar Mama love. I appreciate you also. Much love to you and all the support you show me. Thank you so much. The next person is Eating with Shadia. I hope I got that right. Eating with Shadia. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Look, all my sugar woogers, whoever decide to watch me, please, I will put all their information in my description box. Just go over to their channels and check them out. Show them some love if you already haven't, because, you know, I'm sure you probably have. But if not, just in case, go over there. Just hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when they do videos, right? Alright, my sugar woogers. I just wanted to, you know, do some shout outs, show some support and love to other channels. I think it's good to stick together. Y'all, I'm full. Yes, I am. Yes, I'm full. I have this left, and I ate 3 wings and some fries, and I am full. For my sugar boogers, I'm going to drink me some water. I'm trying not to just down that Coke, but because I got Coach's water bottle, might as well drink some water. Water good for you. Yeah. That's some good water. Some good water there. It's good. And I need my Coke, y'all. Okay, look. Okay, my sugar woogers, I'm about to let you go if you already didn't let me go. Okay? Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, comment, share. Tell everybody what I'm doing over here on this channel, okay? If you want, all that good stuff. Come over here and show Sugar Mama some love, okay, y'all? And until then, y'all know I have to leave my sugar woogers with a big old hug. And I'll see you on my next video.